Welcome to the right hand tutorial for Hello by Adele. To start out, we are going to have finger 1, your thumb, for the right hand on an F. That's the white key to the left of the group of 3 black keys. Then you're going to put finger 2 on G, which is just to the right of that, finger 3 on the black key to the right of that, and finger 4 on the black key to the right of that. And lastly, you're going to have finger 5 on a C. So what we're going to do here is a pattern of thirds, okay? And so it goes like this. And that pattern repeats for the whole song. I'll play it again. So what you're going to notice is that you're going to start with finger 3 and 5 playing at the same time. They're playing notes that are a third apart, and you do that twice to start out. Then you're going to use finger 2 and 4, and then finger 1 and 3. And that is the whole pattern. So you just have to make sure that you're playing with the proper timing. You can count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, or if you prefer, you can count the half beats in groups of 3 and 5 like this. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. And that's all there is to it. You just got to practice it and be playing in time. You can play this along with the recording because it is in the original key. I hope you have fun.